O Lord, this the gift which we are about to receive from thy bounty to Christ, O Lord. Amen.
Okay!
Dito po ako sa Ganda Support.
Laban!
O, ano natin.
Yung para sa amin, second match.
Napakasarap po ng ating
Ang sexy naman yung taga-deliver. Boxer.
Asa yung mic? Asa yung mic? Asa yung mic? This is the David Support. We got and now with the family of the here, 50,000 bit. Hey, Tata Joe, where's your beat? Where's your beat? Where's your beat? Okay, come on. Come on. And you got the family of the son of love with Tata Joe here. And the mother of the family, Mama Beng, and the neighbors here, yeah. And the Becky family.
May second batch pa tayo, di ba tayo kumakain?
You got the 7 months. And there you go. Ito po ang pinakaunang reunion or pinakaunang outing namin sa nabusog ako. Ulam po dito ay napakarami. 10,000 kilos of rice and 6,000 kilos of hotdog and 26,000 kilos of talong. Yan po, 1 kilong bagoong. Ayun po ang pinakapaborito nila, ang kilong bagoong. Busog sila. Attention everybody. Kita mo dito ang aking bayaw na si RJ Abelana. Sa bandang kaliwa niya si Ate Cons at si Tito Ben. Tito Ben ang pinaka-major sponsor, the organizer of this 7th floor. We got here in the left side and the right side of the corner of the 2036 5. And there's my wife. Hey, my wife, Cherry Lynn Caballero Reyes. Cherry Lynn is weighing 133 pounds and he got 36, 26, and 36 meta statistic. Hey, Ate Beng, what can you say about the situation? Ate Beng?
Hinahanap yung plato!
Okay, plato. Huwag kang sinigaw.
Excuse me. Dali naman.
IBM.
Ay, naawat ako.
Pakan yan o.
Hey everybody, let's pose. Medyo pwede mag-request. Happy birthday, sino ba may birthday ngayon? Dominic Diares. Happy birthday na lang. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Wala na.
Binte, makain.
And this is Dada Beat Support. Ito po ang tunay na Dada Beat Support. Sa YouTube. Maligaya at maraming ito po ang tunay na Dada Beat.
Kara. Ito